Okay, welcome back children. We were continuing. I told you I'm going to tell you this tomorrow. So this is investigate. We were investigating. This is exercise 5.4. My chalk has fallen somewhere. Chalo, I think I have another one. So we completed the first part. Does the angle becomes larger? The angle will not become larger. It will only the what will happen? This will be zoomed. Yes. Okay. So angle will be the same. Does the size of the angle will change? The size of the angle. This is the angle 30 degree. Its size changing means it is becoming big. So will the size change? No. The size will not change. Got it? So actually you can write no for, if you write only one no also is more than enough. That means the measurement of the angle will not change. So we will write no. The measurement of the angle will not change. 11th was your homework. Now we are continuing with the next topic. So we completed intersecting lines. Yes, intersecting lines means children the line which meet the lines which meet at a point. Yes, here these are intersecting lines. They meet at a point. Yes, so they are forming some angles also. Yes, they are forming some angles. Now, when two lines meet one another, forming right angles, then such intersecting lines are known as perpendicular lines. Okay, so what is a perpendicular line? Two lines intersecting one another and making a right angle. So you can say two lines intersecting at right angle are known as perpendicular lines. Also you can say one line is vertical, one line is horizontal. Then such lines, when they meet one another and form an angle of 90 degree or a right angle, then such lines are known as perpendicular lines. So there is a difference between intersecting lines and perpendicular lines. What is a difference? Intersecting line is meeting at a point, but it is not forming right angle. Okay, this is also intersecting line. This is meeting at a point, but this is also forming a right angle. So when intersecting lines form a right angle, then they are also known as perpendicular lines. So we can have an example. Here you can see this is what? A pencil, duster. This is what? This is perpendicular line. Yes. Now it is intersecting line. Like this you can see intersecting line. Right now perpendicular line. So now we start with our next exercise, that is exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5 also we are going to do in the book. First question in the book, children. book. The line segments forming letter L. Letter L. Here. It is forming an angle of 90 degree here, right? So it is yes, model of perpendicular lines. That is example of perpendicular line. Letter V. Letter V is forming an acute angle, right? So answer should be what? No. So this completes question number 1. Now let's do question number 2. Let PQ be perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ. Let me make the diagram. You can also make the diagram at the side. छोटा सा diagram बनाना पड़ेगी. Let PQ be perpendicular to XY. So this is XY. This is PQ. छोटा छोटा diagram है. This is P. This is Q. This is X. This is Y. Let PQ and XY intersect at a point A. Means this point is A. So, what is the measure of angle PAY? Since it is perpendicular, so the measure is what? 90 degree. So you can write angle PAY is equal to 90 degree in the book. Okay? Do it in the book. Now question number 3. There are 2 set squares in your box. In your geometry box, you will see that there are 2 set squares. What are the measure of the angles that are formed at their corners? So let me make the 2 set squares. Okay. Something like this, you have a set square. This is 90 degree, we all know. Okay, there are scales in all the 3 sides. Measures. Means scale for measurement. Okay, and this is also kind of a set square. This is 60 degree. This is 90 degree again. This is 30 degree. Sorry, this is 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. 30 degree. This is 45 and this is 45. Okay. So there are 2 set squares, something like this they are. If you will measure, we know perpendicular side are making right angle. Okay, that is 90 degree. And the other 2 is 45, 45. If you use a protractor and you measure, you will see that the measurement is 45, 45, and in one is 60 and 30. So there are 2 set squares in your box. What are the measures of the angles that are formed at their corners? So for set square 1, this is set square 1 and this is set square 2. So you can write there only in the book. Set square 1, set square and H. And there is a point P over here. P. So we have just taken units. So CGE, that is 2 units. CE is 2 units and EG is again 2 units. Both are equal to 2 units means both are same. Yes. So answer A. There only you can write. Yes. Then there is BCD. What is B? B is PE bisects CG. PE, where is PE? This is PE, is bisecting CG. Now bisecting means बिल्कुल बीच से. Yes. So we can, if this measurement is equal to this measurement, that means PE is bisecting CG. Got it? So let's see from CE how much is the distance. 1, 2. Got it? Now EG is how much is the distance? 1, 2. CE is equal to EG, which was I think A. CE. CE is equal to EG. Yes. So from A we can say yes, PE is bisecting CG. So we will write what? Yes. Yes. What should we write then? CG, PE bisects CE. Yes. Because units are equal on both sides. Okay, this completes B. You can write this reason if you want. Then identify the two line segments which PE is perpendicular bisector. So let's identify the two line segments to which PE is perpendicular bisector. You can say FD, yes, and CG we have already written, so let's write BH now. CG is in both. If you write CG also it is right. Okay, so we write FD or DF and BH. So DF and BH. Since they are line segments, so we are putting a bar on top. Then are these true? D has 3 options. First, second, third. AC is greater than FG. AC is greater than FG. Yes, this is greater. Now 2 units, 1 unit. So answer is what? True. Second one, CD is equal to GH. CD is equal to GH. Yes, 1 unit you can see. So again, true. Third one, BC is equal to EH. BC is equal to EH. BC is smaller than, BC is smaller than EH. You can see EH is 3 units and BC is 1 unit. So again it's a true. Yes. Now I need to say true. So this completes our exercise 5.5. Okay. Then the new topic we are going to start tomorrow. Complete till here.